Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to use one-handed mode in your smartphone. So let's talk about this, how you can do this. So first of all friends, you have to open your settings first, and then friends you have to scroll downwards and you can see here it is gestures. Now you have to click on one-handed mode. You can enable it from here, use one-handed mode from here. Show notification or other things, you can enable it from here. You can also create a shortcut, like this is the shortcut. You can see this is the push button. You can do it to open the one-handed mode, or you can just simply disable this and use this instead. Use one-handed mode through this. Pull down the top half of your screen so that it is easier to reach with one screen. So you can just pull down so you can use the one-handed mode. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.